Hi guys, this is the new Alpha 3D version 3.0. So I think it's definitely an improvement from the previous versions. It's nice and slick. It's intuitive, simple, and it supports both the sole and the dentic. Um, so it's already selecting the right printer that I'm using today, which is a Sole. You got all the different resins here, including the NextDent SG. But today we're going to be using the Ackuretta 𝗀𝗶𝗺𝗽 resin. We're going to have it on the standard setting, which is 100 micron layers. Here you just drag and drop the pre-prepared guide STL file, and you'll see it's landed upright, and we will position that so it's relatively flat for efficient printing. But what I don't want is for that surface to be completely parallel to the build plate. So this increases predictability and accuracy. So next step, we go to the supports function, select the right application, and I simply click on auto supports. I'm really happy with the auto support function here. It's really predictable. Sometimes I like to add a bit of a base, which means that you'll see this is a solid base rather than just individual spikes of support. What I might then do is just change the manual, go to the manual supports function and just change the location. I don't necessarily want a support there. Perhaps that one's getting, or those two are getting a bit close to some intricate details of my guide sleeve. I might just change that one as well. Um, I've just deleted a bunch, and if you click on areas where there are no supports, it simply just adds supports. It's quite intuitive. Delete existing or add new supports. You want to make sure this area is well supported. Um, I've got 0.7 point size, which is quite fine support. So I'm not too concerned about how many supports there are, and the auto function is generally really predictable. From there, that's ready to go to the printer.